Over.
सुप्रभात सभी को। मैं नदिया फिरदौस अरावली सदन से आज की मंच परिचालक। तो मैं सबसे पहले नजराना बेगम को प्रतिज्ञा दोहराने के लिए बुलाना चाहती हूँ।
सुप्रभात सभी को। छात्र प्रतिज्ञा। भारत हमारा देश है, हम सब भारतवासी आपस में भाई बहन हैं। हमें अपना देश प्राणों से भी प्यारा है। इसकी समृद्धि और विविध संस्कृतियों पर हमें गर्व है। हम इसके सुयोग्य अधिकारी बनने का प्रयत्न सदा करते रहेंगे। हम अपने माता पिता शिक्षकों एवं गुरुजनों का सदा आदर करेंगे और सबके साथ शिष्टता का व्यवहार करेंगे। हम अपने देश और देशवासियों के प्रति सदा वफादार रहने की प्रतिज्ञा करते हैं। उनके कल्याण और सुख समृद्धि में ही हमारा सर्वसुख निहित है। जय हिंद।
Houses studies.
So, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear lovely flamboyant state affable adroit educants of this premier educational institution, PMC School, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Sribhumi. So, my dear students and ladies and gentlemen, today we have assembled here to conduct the investiture ceremony in our Vidyalaya. The outgoing students, those who held various positions, various portfolios, they will hand over the church to the newly selected captains, vice captains in various domains. So, my dear students, on the onset, may I entreat the outgoing students to come to the stage. Please, one by one. Captain, the outgoing captain, Hiran Das, at first, move. Go to the stage. Then the outgoing Oli, outgoing vice captain. Then I would like to entreat Shayan Das to go to the stage, take his position. I would like to make supplication to Kausar to go to the stage and take his position. Next, I would like to entreat Arup to go to the stage and take his position. I would like to entreat Masum Ahmed to go to the stage and take his position. Next, I would like to entreat Imrana to go to the stage and take her position. Then I would like to entreat Samriti Das to go to the stage and take her position. Next, I would like to entreat Preeti to go to the stage and take her position. Last but not the least, I would like to entreat Tapasri to go to the stage and take her position. Now, my dear students, PT sir, please come here. PT sir, ये बंद हो गया. So now I will call the student name of the students, and all of them will come one by one and take their position beside them. At the very outset, may I take the proud privilege to call on the stage Poonam Roy, school captain. Poonam Roy, give a huge round of applause. Poonam Roy. Hurry up, please. Next name is Tamzid Ahmed Khan, Vice Captain, School Vice Captain. Come to the stage. Hurry up, please quick, come soon. Next, Martina Doloi Sakachev, Sports Captain. Martina Doloi Sakachev, Sports Captain. Hurry up, please. Next name is Rupam Devnath, Sports Captain, boys. Martina was Sports Captain, girls, and Rupam Devnath, Sports Captain, boys. Okay, Rupam. Next, after Rupam, Suhana Parveen, CCA Captain, girls. Suhana Parveen. Give a huge round of applause. Suhana, go clapping, everybody. Everybody. It must be heard from Ramakrishna Nagar. The sound must be heard from Ramakrishna Nagar. Let us do this shortly koro jate Ramakrishna Nagar se shuna jaye. Next, the next name is Pintu Das, CCA Captain, boys. Pintu Das. Let us welcome on the stage Pintu Das. সবাই হাত তালি দেবে প্লিজ প্লিজ আমি শুনতে পাচ্ছি না তাহলে অন্যরা কি করে শুনবে গ্রামের মানুষ নেক্সট আফটার পিন্টু দাস দিলদার হোসেন মেস ক্যাপ্টেন বয়েজ দিলদার হোসেন হাততালি দিয়ে স্বাগত জানাও হাততালি দিয়ে স্বাগত জানাও দিলদার হোসেনকে নেক্সট আফটার দিলদার হোসেন শাশ্বতী বিশ্বাস Shashwati Biswas, then Debosri and Jisan. I cannot see actually, it has become dark. Debosri Nath, I cannot read. Next, Jisan. Please, well, let us welcome Debosri and Jisan, both of them. Dark ho gaya. Okay. Yes, please go clapping everybody. What happened? Jisan Ahmed and Debosri Nath. Okay.
Sir.
Now, the outgoing school captains will hand over the badge to the newly selected school captains. Yes, give a huge round of applause. Come on, everybody. Please cooperate. Amar kotha ekটু শোনো, please. সবাই হাততালি দেবে. Most important program. Today's program is most important program of the school.
Bas.
Now Oli is handing over to Poonam. Give a huge round of applause. Come on, everybody. Show it to Next, let us welcome the next captain. Yes, they will hand over the charge. Next captain Hiran Das will hand over to our Tamzid Khan. Please keep on clapping. So everybody, come on, everybody. আমি শুনতে পাচ্ছি না গ্রামের লোক কি করে শুনবে? Come on. Then sports captain Martina. So Imrana will hand over to Martina. সবাই হাততালি দেবে, হাততালি যেন সবাই শুনতে পায়, বারবার বলছি। Come on everybody, God clapping. তোমাদের স্কাউট ক্ল্যাপ বললাম শিখে আসতে। Scout clapping, please cooperate. All of you do scout clapping. Rupam Devnath, come forward. Rupam Devnath and sports lifting. The master will hand over to Rupam Devnath. সবাই হাততালি যাবে. Come on, clapping everybody. Come on. হাততালি যাও. আমি শুনতে পাচ্ছি. Come on. So Master Mohammed is handing over the charge to Rupam Devnath. CCA captain, who is CCA captain, girls, please come forward. Somriti will hand over to Suhana. Somriti will hand over to Suhana. Go on clapping everybody. Come on everybody. So, Scout clapping please. उल्टा ही जैसे okay go clapping everybody हाथ चले जाओ feet to dance come forward and sports Arup will hand over the charge to Pintu Das. Arup Das will hand over the charge to Pintu Das. Please give a huge round of applause. সবাই হাত তালি দেবেন दिलदार हुसैन मैच कैप्टन जो था वो दिलदार हुसैन को मैच कैप्टन मैच कैप्टन कौन है Kausar will hand over the charge to Dildar Hussain. Kausar will hand over the charge to Dildar Hussain. Go clapping everybody. हाथ ताली जाओ Kausar is handing over the charge to Dildar Hussain, match captain. Hey. Match captain girls, please come forward. Match captain girls, Preeti and Shashwati. So Preeti will hand over the charge to Shashwati Biswas. Preeti Das will hand over the charge to Shashwati Biswas. So the photograph is being clicked by Ranobir Paul, art teacher, and our Bangla sir, Shil sir, Shukanto Shil and Ranobir Paul. They are clicking the snapshots. Tapasri. So Tapasri will hand over the charge to Deborsi Nath. Tapasri. Go on clapping. Hatala. Jisan Ahmed come forward. Hell captain boys Jisan Ahmed and Shayan Das will hand over the charge to Jisan Ahmed. Shayan Das will hand over the charge. Everybody, go on clapping. Everybody, come on. Okay. Now may I take a proud privilege to call on the stage Oli Nath, the outgoing captain, to deliver a grandiloquent speech before us. Oli Nath, please. Oli Nath.
Respected principal sir, versatile teacher, and my dear brother and sister. Good morning to all of you. I, Oli, the girl who was the captain of this Vidyalaya, I stand here with a heart full of gratitude and pride. Being the captain has been a great experience for me. इस एक साल की जाने की बात करें तो बहुत सारी मेमोरी बना, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला, बहुत कुछ डांटा भी है और मेरे को भी बहुत डांट भी पड़ा है. तो ये तो जिंदगी में कुछ करने के लिए, कुछ सीखने के लिए तो सहना पड़ेगा. I'd like to sincerely thank all the teachers for guiding me and believing in me. To my classmates who support me throughout this journey, I want to say thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sports Captain Imrana, for your cooperation. I couldn't have done it without your help. Your support made me a better leader. Being the captain has been a truly meaningful journey. ये बहुत ही मीनिंगफुल क्यों है? क्योंकि मुझे बहुत स्टेज फियर था, स्टेज फोबिया था। तो ये ख़त्म करने के लिए ये बहुत अच्छा मौका है अपने आप को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए, स्टेज फियर का ख़त्म करने के लिए। मतलब बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ मतलब स्टेज फियर ख़त्म कर सकते हैं। It gave me the chance to grow the face challenges, and most importantly, it helped me to enhance my leadership quality. As I pass this responsibility to the next captain, I wish them all the best. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Navoday.
So tons of thanks to Olinat. Really, she had showed her talents. She showcased her latent talent potential to the maximum level. What I should say, and I should utter.